Welcome back to Honest Auto Wheels, the place where we bring you the latest and most exciting reviews from the world of luxury and innovation on wheels. Today, we're diving into the jaw-dropping 2025 Prevost Luxurio Motorhome, a motorhome that redefines what it means to travel in first-class style. The 2025 Prevost Luxurio is nothing short of stunning. Built on the trusted H345 platform, it boasts a sleek and aerodynamic design that turns heads wherever it goes. The panoramic windshield offers unmatched visibility, while the chrome accents and ultra-bright adaptive LED lighting add a premium touch. You'll notice the full-body paint has a deep gloss finish, and it's completely customizable, offering a wide range of metallic and satin options. Storage compartments underneath are not only spacious, but also motorized, lit with LEDs, and easy to access. There's even a built-in outdoor entertainment suite, complete with a 55-inch 4K TV, premium speakers, and a power awning equipped with wind sensors. Step inside, and the luxury takes on a whole new level. The moment you enter, you're welcomed by heated marble floors, plush Italian leather seating, and beautifully handcrafted wood cabinetry. The dual-zone living area is spacious, thanks to multiple slide-outs that expand the floor space. You'll find a cozy digital fireplace, a 65-inch OLED TV that elegantly rises from a cabinet, and an advanced central touchscreen panel that controls everything, from lighting and climate to blinds and entertainment. You can even use voice commands to operate most features. And yes, the ambient lighting offers 16 million colors. You can actually set the mood to match your playlist or even the time of day. The kitchen is designed for gourmet cooking on the go. It comes with quartz countertops, a sleek induction cooktop, convection oven, full-size residential refrigerator, built-in dishwasher, and even a wine cooler. Every appliance is integrated seamlessly into the cabinetry, keeping the space clean and functional. Moving to the bathroom, it's like stepping into a luxury spa. There's a rainfall shower with aromatherapy infusion, marble-lined walls, heated towel racks, and a backlit vanity mirror with touch controls. The toilet is self-cleaning and odor-neutralizing, making sure cleanliness is never compromised. At the rear of the motorhome lies the master suite, which is completely soundproofed for ultimate privacy. A king-size bed with memory foam and built-in massage functions ensures a perfect night's rest. His and hers wardrobes line the walls, and a retractable skylight lets you stargaze without leaving your bed. The suite is fitted with ambient lighting, surround sound, and its own climate zone. Technology is at the heart of the Luxurio. It comes with 5G Wi-Fi, satellite TV, a full surveillance system, solar panels, and a lithium-ion energy storage system that allows for full off-grid functionality. There's also smart climate control that adapts to your preferences and the outside weather conditions. Powering this luxury mansion on wheels is a Volvo D13 engine producing 500 horsepower. The drive is smooth, quiet, and highly efficient thanks to adaptive suspension and active noise cancellation technology. Whether you're cruising down the interstate or parked at a scenic overlook, the Luxurio offers unmatched comfort and control. And yes, all this opulence comes with a price tag. The 2025 Prevost Luxurio starts at around $2.6 million, depending on the level of customization. But for those who demand the best in mobile living, it's worth every penny. So, what do you think about the 2025 Prevost Luxurio? Is it your dream home on wheels or a luxury too far? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the bell icon so you never miss out on the best in automotive luxury. Only here on Honest Auto Wheels.